Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix no GPS signal issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on scroll down to end. Click on weather. After click on weather, click on battery. And if you want to fix this problem, optimize restricted, click on unrestricted. After select unrestricted, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on again settings app, scroll down to and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset. After click on reset, scroll down to and click on factory data reset. After click on factory data reset, scroll down and click on reset. After click on reset, hope so your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix no GPS signal issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.